Gonna show you how I get down on extreme mode by myself, just with AI though.
AI is trash.
Yes, like they don't even do what they're supposed to do. Like you'll have an agenda to get a horde off of a bus, right? They'll be shooting at the most unnecessary zombies. Like, see what you gotta do though. When you playing on extreme mode. You don't even have to crouch. You can just lightly jog, and the zombies don't even know you coming.
Really?
Because you can sprint. I ain't gonna do it because it's gonna cause a horde to come. But it's usually a lurker right there or a creeper. I don't even know why I'm still searching. Oh, it might be a breaching charge back here. It ain't never one of those.
So your aim is precise in the motherfucker though.
Oh, I fucked up a few times. I felt I'm gonna need this RPG.
Maybe a few times, but not enough time for somebody to say your aim trash.
Yeah.
You was tatting their head smooth up.
Huh.
I don't want to see. Look at that. That shit's nuts, yo. I think you would fuck me up in Call of Duty already. I'm pretty sure you would fuck me up in Call of Duty already, yo. That's kind of fucked up, dog.
I couldn't hang, actually. They were too good for me.
Look at your aim, yo.
I didn't play enough either though. Like I didn't play it as much as I would have played this, you know.
Right.
But yeah.
Man, I might step my game up, yo. That's crazy. Your aim is crazy.
About to get
like,
to the action in a little bit.
So good.
Bro, I've been playing games since I was little.
I've been trying to get my aim like that though. Like these, like in Call of Duty, I'm trying to get my aim like that. And if my aim was like that with a sniper, I'd be cold. Like you tatting these motherfuckers smooth up. And extreme is the hardest level, right?
Mowing them bitches down. Saw how my screen went blue?
You really tatting their heads up.
Fallen teammate. Where's the damn? Oh shit.
Damn.
The bus way back here. We left the bus.
That's way up.
The bus does not move unless we're close to it, which is like, it slows down the process. I missed them. They pushed me off. Oh shit!
Oh.
I'm panicking.
He came out of nowhere.
He did. I didn't know he was gonna go around like that.
You gotta say the buzz, yo. Oh, shit. Get y'all ass that.
I need some ammo now. I gotta hurry up. Some ammo up here.
It's still like Call of Duty. Well, it looks like the zombie mode.
I can relax a little bit.
This is the real. You ain't got no shotgun or nothing, could you?
Ooh! Thought you was.
Oh shit! How you see that motherfucker on the ground was trying to play you? Oh shit!
He killed our partner, and somebody just knocked the fuck out of me.
Dude, stank like a motherfucker.
Why it take so many shots to shoot that? Oh, okay,
I gotta see that shit.
I gotta come back and get that. Oh, where's the bus? Oh! Oh!
Here they come!
You got me jumping this shit. Oh. This nigga running, yo.
Oh no! Look at them! Why is he facing the other direction?
Yeah, he's shooting niggas that ain't even.
I don't have the ammo for all of this. Oh my god.
Ooh, bomb. Ooh.
I'm a fucking genius! Get him up! Get him up! Set another one! Get back! Set another one! Ah!
chase you anymore. Oh.
Oh shit! I'm so scared!
Damn, what the fuck?
Ah, shit!
Oh! Then they start clawing your ass.
No!
Damn.
Oh,
Not happening enough.
see, that was just a practice round.